Now we are going to discuss about the gamma integral. So here we are going to use these 6 formulas to evaluate the problem. This is also a very easy exercise which will be having very minimum problems. So first formula is 0 to infinity e power minus x power n minus 1 dx is called a gamma integral. So gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n into n gamma. Gamma of n, this symbol is known as gamma. Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. So gamma 1 is equal to 1. So gamma n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. 0 to infinity e power minus x power n dx is equal to n factorial. Integral 0 to infinity e power minus ax into x power n is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. So these are the 6 formulas we are going to use in this problem. So let us see the problems. Exercise 9.7, integral 0 to infinity x power 5 e power minus 3x dx. So we know that 0 to infinity x power n e power minus alpha x dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Here n is equal to 5, a is equal to 3. So now x power 5 e power minus 3x dx is equal to, instead of n I am substituting 5. So 5 factorial by, instead of a I am substituting 3. So 3 power 5 plus 1. So 6. Now second problem as homework. Second problem, 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square x cube dx is equal to 32. Alpha greater than 0, find alpha value. So let I am going to take I is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus alpha x square. So this x cube I can write as x square into x dx. So t is equal to x square I am going to take. Then dt will be 2x dx. Then x dx, instead of this x dx I can write dt by 2. So whenever x is equal to 0, t will be 0. Whenever x is equal to infinity, t will be infinity. So integral 0 to infinity e power minus alpha t into dt by 2. So this is t and this is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 I can take as commonly outside, 0 to infinity. So t into e power alpha t dt. So we know that 0 to infinity x power n e power minus alpha x dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. Here n is equal to 1 and a is equal to alpha. So this integration value will be according to the formula 1 by 2 into 1 factorial by alpha power 1 plus 1, that is equal to 32, which is given in the question. So 1 by 2 into 1 by alpha square is equal to 32. So 1 by alpha square is equal to this 1 by 2 I am going to take to this side, 32 it will goes to multiplication with 32. So this will be 64. So alpha square is equal to 1 by 64. Alpha is equal to square root of 1 by 64. So square root of 1 by 64 is nothing but plus or minus 1 by 8. So this is the answer for alpha.